Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car of the 2017 67 Reg 218i M Sport. The vehicle is presented in mineral grey, features a wide array of BMW sought after optional extras, is a facelift, and of course also includes a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. At the front of the car you'll notice the facelift LED headlights. The alloy wheels for the vehicle are the Facelift 18-inch M Sport alloys, also in gloss black. Behind those you'll notice the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this vehicle we have got the full M Sport Plus package. Also down the side you can see just how clean this vehicle is. We have added the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals. Also on the rear windows you do get sun protection glazing, of course, as part of that Plus package. Inside we've got the wonderful Dakota leather option that comes with the electric lumbar as well, and there is a superb 6-speed manual inside this 2 Series we have for you, as well as the amazing Harman Kardon surround sound system, all lovely and clean and tidy within the interior. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement for rear passengers, central storage tray, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. Moving round to the back of the car now, once again you can see all lovely and clean and tidy, and those gloss black alloys really making a difference to the exterior of this car. Rear spoiler, we've also got rear parking sensors. Again, everything's nice and clean and tidy in the boot, which again is a big space of its own. The seats do also fold down as well. Round onto the driver's side, once again everything being shown off nice and clean and tidy. And we shall go on and take a seat inside the vehicle for you to take a look at some of the vehicle's interior details, which we have quite a large one. We've got the BMW professional wide navigation and media screen, as well as the facelift LED backlit display. The car's covered just over 41,000 miles. If we begin at the navigation screen, of course having that wider screen is a massive benefit, especially when using the sat nav. Back at the main menu, if we go through and take a look at the communication screen, this is of course where you'll pair your device for Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB radio, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs. We've got the speed limiter on this vehicle, as well as voice and volume controls. As I mentioned, it's covered just over 41,000 miles. And if we go back through into my vehicle status, you can see it's not due a service for 15,000 miles time. So there is a look around another very nicely presented 2 Series here at your next car. As I've mentioned, if you would like some more information on the vehicle, simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. As always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video. We hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we shall of course hopefully get to see yourselves very soon. Thank you, take care, bye bye.